delete everything what we have here. So we are in H4 zone. H4 zone, we have this engulfing cell, and we also now have this engulfing buy, which engulfing buy eventually is failing this engulfing cell. So when I said sometime when you have a failed one, which is become more strong zone on the failing side. So as this is the buy failing side, so we are looking for only buy, and this is the zone which is now becoming more stronger. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Same 1 hour time frame. If you see, this is the SNR level. So okay, I'll come back to the SNR level later. So this is the engulfing failed one. This is this candle eventually making the engulfing failed one, and go to the 30-minute again. In the 30-minute, what we are seeing, we have this engulfing failed eventually this one, and then we have an engulfing buy on here. So this is the engulfing buy we are currently having in our chart. Let's go to the 15-minute. 15-minute is same. We have an engulfing and market eventually come back to the engulfing. I'm not going to talk about today how I open the sale from top, but how I close my trade on here. One I close on here, another I took from eventually here, and another one two trade maybe I closed on here. One I hold it. So this one is that. So but I open a buy from here. How I open a buy from here, as from 4 hour to 15-minute, we saw this is the engulfing and this is the engulfing which is holding. Let's go to the 5-minute again. In the 5-minute, what we are seeing, this is the engulfing we are seeing on here. This is the engulfing and market is eventually on that zone. Now go to the time frame of the line chart. In the line chart, what we're seeing a QM pattern eventually. So if you look at this one, low, high, low, low, higher, high. So this is the QM level. If you look at this carefully, this is the QM level. This is the QM level, right? So go to the go to the candlestick again. Eventually, market come back to your QM, and in that QM we have two more things. One is engulfing, which is very interesting. This one also, this engulfing is failed by this one, and eventually we have this is the strong zone again. So I did not open this one. I was eventually a little bit late. I opened my trade on here. This is the trade I opened, but I did because I know that market is eventually see something on here, but eventually it went up, and I closed with 67 or something, 60 pips. So this is the exited where I tried to exit on here, and this is the basic thing. And now we are seeing market is doing something on here. Eventually, as I said, like in 4 hour to weekly and monthly, we are bullish. So every sale will be retracement and buy will be the original in the trend. And now go to the H4 level, and in the H4 level, this is the fresh level so far. When this breakout happened, this is the fresh level. So let's go to the 1 hour again. This is not fresh because this is the test that we saw, and 15-minute, if you saw the 15-minute also, this we saw 2 times, 30-minute and the 10-minute, 15-minute is the same. And but you can filter it out in the 15-minute to 5-minute. This is not the SNR. It will take a long time. I did not discuss much more in the SNR section in this group. So maybe once I started the SNR, then I will try to. Sorry, I have a headache, so this video is maybe a little bit disturbing. Thank you so much.